dann sind sie sehr nahe gekommen und da waren fast.
So you can see here, the rocket flew here. No internet, no sounds, no distractions. Just a traditional village life in Syria. So guys, we are now in a village near a city called Hama. As you can see, it's pretty beautiful place here, full of nature, no people. We have olive trees, pistachio trees, and many other farmland. And maybe you've seen on the way here there are many buildings destroyed or even infrastructure destroyed. For example, the roads have holes from the rockets flying over. So yeah, it's pretty sad to see, but thank God the war has now ended, and you can see here how beautiful untapped nature this is.
That hole in the road that you see here is a rocket landing. The shrapnels still scatter across the ground, and if anyone had been standing here when it hit, they wouldn't have survived at all.
That's how real it is here.
These small concrete huts were built to store farm tools. During the war, families lived in them, their homes destroyed, nowhere else to go. So they moved into structures meant for shovels and equipment. And they survived, moved on with their lives there.
Die haben hier ganz hinten Pistazien gepflückt. Er und mein Onkel. Anderer Onkel aber. Und dann sind sie sehr nahe gekommen und da waren fast fertig. Ja. Haben sie gesagt, okay, wir schlafen in dem Zimmer lieber. Da müssen wir nicht mehr aufpassen. Was passiert, weil es gibt eh keine Pistazien mehr. Genau dort, wo sie schlafen wollten, bei dem Baum eigentlich. Ja. Genau in dieser Nacht hat man 3 Raketen gehauen bei dem Baum. Oh. Sie wären einfach gestorben. Ja, rundherum, einfach in diesem Gebiet. Mitten im Boden waren 3 Raketen. Das ist ja Splitter, oder? Sie wären 100% tot, wären sie dort geblieben, doch, die Nacht. Aber sie haben gedacht, okay, wegen diesen 100 Metern tun wir nicht extra dort schlafen, oder? Sie waren 100% tot. Aber wir haben hier geschlafen. Die Splitter sind ins Haus, bis ins Haus.
So Adrian, where are you right now? Where did we land?
I don't know. I think we are in a nice place.
A nice, peaceful place.
Peaceful.
Yes.
Without
no internet,
sounds.
No sounds, no distractions. Just a traditional village life in Syria.
Would you imagine this to be Syria when seeing Greenland and
a lot of farmland? No, you wouldn't, right?
No.
So guys, we're gonna do a traditional village game here in nowhere where nobody is in Syria. So it's kind of a soccer thing. You gotta shoot this rock over to this road and he scores. And if I shoot over there, I score. Alright, let's go. There you go.
Hey, no. It's outside, sure?
Yeah, okay.
It's outside, you have to be
Okay.
near to the line.
Alright. Yo!
Oh, sorry, bro.
Shit, bro.
Sorry. I did a foul.
It's a penalty for me. Penalty.
Well, that's a huge rock, man. You're gonna smash me with that.
penalty. Oh, I guess that's it.
Guys, what is this?
It's a mushroom.
It's a mushroom, you're correct. Directly from the dirt.
Yes, fresh raw mushroom. You can take this at your home and cook something delicious.
Lass mal den da, oder? Lass mal den da.
And that was Syria, a country that has been through more than most people will ever understand. We saw Damascus, we saw Aleppo, we saw a village where rockets fell and families sheltered in tool huts. Syria is broken in places, but it is alive, and it refuses to stop. This was Book 3. Next up is Lebanon.